Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Trading Bulls. Today's topic is 7 piece of advice for young investor. This is the most important topic for our young investors. So let us start. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe our channel. Young Investor Club. 10 things people learn to very late. Everything is temporary. Number 1. As tell by our legend investor Mr. Warren Buffett. Number 1 is everything is temporary. Number 2, life is not fair. 3, family matters more than friends. Number 4, others trust you the why you treat yourself. 5, beneath anger there is always fear. 6, happiness is a choice and requires hard work. 7, a lifetime is not as long as you think. 8, the biggest risk is not taking any risk. 9, things don't matter so much. And last, number 10, you played it too safe. Okay, let us start. 7 piece of advices for our young investor. I discovered billionaire Mark Cuban on watching Shark Tank, the entrepreneur themed reality show. While it was interesting to see the business pitch, the draw was the shark theme sales, the Cuban bringing the most swagger to the show. Here I want to specifically mention Cuba's practical finance advice to young people. Before you disagree, his counsel under the guise of what does a billionaire know about working class folks. Let me convince you otherwise. Mark Cuban was not born rich. He grew up in a working class family in Pittsburgh. His father initially slowly in car and his mom worked a rotation of odd jobs. His word resonate with individuals who have not inherit a fortune. Here are some snips that I have collected from numerous media sources over the years. Have a discipline in how you spend your money. Have the discipline of saving. You can get it if you know why you are doing it. I lived a frugal life when I was young. I had a 5 romantic in an apartment, 3 beds. I slept on the couch or the floor. I worked as a bartender, as a gave dance classes. I lived off macaroni and cheese and mustard, the ketchup sandwich. I drove a cheap car. The first time in my adult life that I was able to have a more than $1,000 in the bank, I went out and bought 6 of the full fist pushed bath towel I could find to replace the fried ones I had. But my frugality was conscious decision. I was determined to save money. I wanted enough money to be able to travel, have fun, party like rock stars. That was my motivation to save. Find a way to save money. Live in inexpensively as you possible can. Invest it in a low cost mutual fund. It will pay off rich dividends. You can start to build your net worth. I think that is possible for everybody. Being a smart shopper is the first step to getting rich. Take advantage of sales, take advantage of discounts when you buy in bulk. You will get a better return on your money by being a smart shopper and taking advantage of cash quantity or other types of discounts. Then you will be stock market. Saving 15% on $1,000 worth of items you have to purchase is better return on your money than making 15% a year on $1,000 investment, because you don't pay taxes on it. Not only that, but your personal rate of inflation stay lower. whatever you can save it as much as you possible, as much as you possible can, then put it into the bank. There is a cost of debt. The hardest lesson I learned was getting my credit card repaid up. I would charge something and think I would be able to pay it off, and then not be able to. I cannot tell you how many credit cards I had ripped up. Live within your means. Using a credit card is completely okay if you pay it off and at the end of the month. Paying off your credit card after 30 days are not even using credit cards at the smartest investment you can make or not make. Just recognize that 18% to 20% or 30% you are paying in credit card debt is going to cost you a lot more than you could never earn anywhere else. Applying this to other loans too. If you have a loan with a 7% interest rate, you pay it off. There is an immediate return there. Don't be slave to the bank. If you take a loan, you are no longer the boss. Your customers are no longer the boss. Your banker is the boss. If you hit any adversity, the priority become taking care of your banker. Have the emergency fund. Try to save up 6 months or income. Try to save up 6 months of income and keep it available. If you get fired or you have to more or something goes wrong, you are going to need at least 6 months income. Put risky investment in their place. Everyone takes risk. It is needed. When it comes to investing, remember this: no investment can offer returns with zero risk. If you don't fully understand the risk of an investment, you are completing it is okay to do nothing. Just put your money in the bank. Even if you do not compare the risks, don't go overboard. Don't let risky investment dominate your portfolio. So if you want to be an adventure and double in Bitcoin or Ethereum, just ensure that it does not exceed 10% of your portfolio, and you should be comfortable with realization that you could lose that money. 6. There is a no get rich quick scheme. This is a get rich path. There is a path to follow. There are ways to get there, but there is no template that works every time for everyone. Getting there also requires being ready when opportunity presents itself. Change and uncertainties create opportunity. It is up to you to grab the opportunity. There are no shortcuts, none. Ignore schemes that guarantee returns. Always remember that if a deal is a great deal, they are not going to share it with you. I don't broadcast my great deal. I keep them all to myself. If the person selling the deal was so smart, they will be rich beyond rich rather than trolling the streets looking to turn you into the sucker. 7. Investing is not only about money. Never stop learning. Never stop grinding. Invest in yourself. Invest in education yourself. Develop your skills, your ability, your insights. That is what is going to get you ahead. Once you have found out what you love to do, there is only one goal. How can you be the best in the world at it? It doesn't matter if you are a filing clerk, an athlete, an accountant, or bartender. All that matter is that you do whatever you can to be the best. The one thing in life you can control is your effort. If you are willing to put in effort, you will willing to deal with the challenges through your effort. and brain power. Anything is possible. Okay, thank you very much. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.